We're going to talk a little bit about the testing methods and surveys, common types of traps that most people are familiar with in the industry today, and how they operate and how they fail. Ways to defray costs if you ever do decide to move forward with a full plant overhaul of your trap population.
Generates a nice report, and it gives you an accurate result of exactly how much steam is being lost in pounds per hour and dollars per year in your plant.
So that information is key to developing a project to do a full plant swap over. Our efficiency wasn't as high as it could have been had we had a more having a preventive maintenance program in place.
Hot condensate to change phase from condensate to steam, a phenomenon known as flashing. This flashing creates a back pressure zone in the mouth of the Venturi. Because condensate is 1,000 times denser than steam.
But what a great opportunity for this facility to be able to help reduce the total cost in a facility, and as it turns out, other facilities like it as part of that company's total plant population. So